So there's no way around it. We still have to do this. We still have to do the work. We still have to fight hard. There is no easy election. That is something that I've learned. So that is why we have to be very well organized, that we have to be in constant communication with one another so that we know what's going on. And at the very beginning, yan, trabaho ito ng ating leadership ng ating partido ay magkaroon tayo ng magandang plano, hindi lamang para sa national, kundi para sa lahat ng LGU, para lahat sa mga distrito ng mga congressman na kasama natin. Mayroon tayong gagawin, but also in coordination with all the other parties that we are going to be in partnership with. So that's what we are doing now. And I know that all of you would want for this to succeed. And again, malakas din ang loob ko naman pagka napunta tayo sa talagang kampanya na uhaw pa rin ang tao para sa pagkakaisa. Talagang sa aking palagay, hanggang ngayon, ang tao ayaw na nila yung nag-aaway-away, ayaw na nila ang walang nangyayari dahil puro